sport mode, eco mode, auto mode, snow mode, off-road.
Nissan Rogue, and I'm going to show you how to put this Nissan Rogue into snow mode for when you're driving. I'm also going to show you how to put it into eco mode as well as normal mode, and also into normal mode. Did I say that twice? I'm also going to show you how to put it in off-road. I'm going to show you how to do all of that, so stay put. All right, so inside of the Nissan Rogue, I'm behind the steering wheel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the center of the vehicle, this center of the vehicle, the console right here, and you can see that there is this knob right here. This knob right here is for controlling it. I can turn it this way. It goes into snow mode, go into right here. It is, I think that's off-road right here. That is off-road. And if I go all the way back, that is auto. So it automatically detects which mode to put it in. If I go right here where you have this leaf right there, that leaf is for eco mode. And for this right here, it is sport mode. And if you need confirmation, you can look on the instrument panel right here. I can turn it. It's in sport mode, eco mode, auto mode, and then snow mode, and then off-road mode right there. So those are the different drive mode that you can choose from in this Nissan Rogue. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.